Trend line is a visual representation that highlights the overall direction of data points over time. It helps identify trends and patterns by smoothing out data fluctuations. Zoho Analytics offers 5 trend line models. Linear fits a straight line, useful for consistent upward or downward trends. Logarithmic, suitable for data that changes rapidly at first and slows over time. Exponential, shows growth or decay at an increasing or decreasing rate. Power, a variation of the exponential model where the rate of change is consistent. Polynomial, best for analyzing nonlinear data with significant fluctuations. You can apply a trend line to various chart types, including line, bar, stacked bar, scatter, area, stacked area, bubble, and combo charts. Let's analyze an e-commerce company's monthly sales growth. Access the sales data table, click the Create icon, and choose Chart View. Ensure the x-axis contains a time, date, or number series, and the y-axis has an aggregate column or measure. Drag the month-year column to the x-axis and total sales to the y-axis. Click Generate Graph to create the chart. Click Analysis, then Trend Line. Click on Add Trend Line and choose Total Sales. Trend Line Type. Select from available models or use Auto for the best fit. Confidence Line. Predicts possible trend variations with a 70 to 95% confidence range. Forecast data. Extend the trend line to future data points, available only when the report includes forecasted data. Formatting options. Customize line style, color, and legend. Click Apply to save. The chart now shows a 90% confidence range. Any future data with similar patterns will fall within this range. Click the trend line legend to edit, remove, or view info. Edit. Modify trend line settings. Remove. Delete the trend line from the chart. Info. View the applied formula, summary, and coefficient details. The formula displays the formula applied over the chart to drive the trend line. The summary includes key metrics like RMSE, corrected degrees of freedom, R-squared, and p-value. The coefficient section displays statistical information like estimate, standard error, and t-value. You can also plot a trend line over forecasted data. Once the forecast is applied, go to Analysis, Trend Line, and enable the Forecast Data toggle. You can plot trend lines for up to 5 y-axes. Drag and drop operating cost and profit to the y-axis. Click Generate Graph to create the chart. Click Analysis, then Trend Line to add multiple trend lines. Follow the same steps as before and add trend line for operating costs and profit. Here's a sample chart of ad spend versus revenue, where the trend line type is set to exponential manually based on data patterns. Trend lines in Zoho Analytics enable you to analyze patterns, predict future trends, and derive meaningful insights across multiple data sets. Thank you for watching. For further inquiries, email us at support@zohoanalytics.com or call one of our toll-free numbers.